Greetings everyone, my name is Bilel and let me welcome you to another video produced by Financial Anatomy. This is a place where you learn how to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about apps that involve money, personal finance, and credit cards every now and then. And we're going to be talking about how to deposit a check into the Chime bank account. So you want to start off by opening your Chime app up and you'll be taken to the home screen. Once here, click on Move Money at the bottom of the screen and click on Deposit Check that's at the top of the screen. You'll then be asked what type of check you're depositing, so you want to click the one that's appropriate. For this example, we'll be clicking on Other, which will cover personal checks. You'll then be required to take a picture of the front and the back of the check. So you want to make sure you're in a well-lit area, and if possible, whatever you set the check on, make sure it's a dark background. You'll also need to make sure that you've signed the check in the appropriate places. Assuming that it's been done, go ahead and click on Got It. And then you'll need to enter the exact amount that the check is going to be for. Click on Next. And then you'll be required to take a picture of the front and the back of the check. Once you've done that, you've completed the necessary steps to deposit your check. You'll just need to wait for it to clear. You might be asking exactly how long will it take for your check to clear. I'm reading this verbatim off the Chime website, but it depends on your financial institution. In most cases, funds will appear in your account in a few minutes to a few business days. It can sometimes take up to a week, especially if your check is flagged for review or is a large amount. Me personally, the check is always cleared the next day, but keep in mind that Chime is letting you know that it could take a few days up to a week. As far as the limits go for depositing a check with Chime, you can deposit up to $2,000 per check up to 10 times a month. Chime has a total check deposit limit of $10,000 per month. Some members may be able to access higher limits though. They don't specify exactly what you need to do to access those higher limits. So if you're interested in getting that information, you can check this video out that covers how to reach out to Chime support so that they can give you the up-to-date current information on what to do to potentially get that limit extended. With that being said, that concludes this video. If you're interested in signing up for Chime and you haven't done so already, you can also do that using the link in the description. It's been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Catch you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.